Welcome to the end user training on Sprout Social's employee advocacy. In this video, you will learn how to become successful as a reader or your own organization's social ambassador. Through this video, you will learn how to set up your personal account, how to share stories to your networks, and how to get insights on your contribution to your employee advocacy program. Once you accept the invitation email from your admin, you will be directed to this sign-up page. Simply enter your name and create a 14-character password. Once you're logged in, the first thing you need to do is set up your profile. To go to your personal settings, click your name in the upper right corner, then view your profile. Scroll down to Social Profiles to see the list of social networks you can link to advocacy. Let's start with LinkedIn. Click Connect and it will bring you to the login page. Enter your login details, then sign in. If you are prompted with this message, click Allow to complete the connection. Follow the same steps for Twitter, Facebook page, and Instagram business profile. For personal Facebook and Instagram accounts, there is no connection needed. As a reader, you have a quick access to curated, ready-to-share stories that you can find on my feed. In For You page, you can see these stories made for you. Click the story to view its contents from the pop-up window. At the top is where you can find curator notes. It's a best practice to check this part out for any specific instructions or additional information about the story. From this page, you can read the story or watch the video or open the actual link by clicking the title. To share the story to your profile, click the network icon to view and edit the story. The text box would normally contain a message idea or the suggested caption written for you by your admins. You can choose from the other message ideas provided or edit the caption to your liking. It is recommended to still edit the caption and add your personal touch. Once done, simply click Post and it will be published right away to your selected network. As an additional option, you can also choose to schedule stories in advance by ticking the Send Later box. This allows you to choose the day and time when you like the story to be published. The best thing about employee advocacy is that you can take a few minutes of your day to schedule out stories for a week, not having to worry about finding another story to share for another day. When sharing to Twitter, please edit at least 20 characters from the message idea to adhere to Twitter's policy. An employee advocacy program becomes more successful when members of the organization collaborate. Suggest Story allows you to contribute contents. When you see a blog or news articles or any story outside employee advocacy feed that you believe is worthy of being shared, you can paste the link here and share with your admins your thoughts about the content. If you want to share this story right away to your network, you can use the Compose button. This allows you to post it promptly to your profile or schedule it for later. Stories you see in For You page depend on the topics you follow. You can view the list of topics your admins created for you in this tab. For You page will only show you fresh stories and those you haven't shared yet. Stories that have been either shared or scheduled will then show up in these two tabs. Your efforts through employee advocacy greatly impacts your organization's growth through social media. Here in Reports Stats tab, You have a visibility over your sharing activity and the metrics you attract out of the contents you share to your networks. You can see the total stories you shared over time, the engagements, such as reactions, comments, and reposts or reshares that your post acquired. You can also see the total clicks made to your shared link stories. Down below is where you can see all the stories you have shared and how they performed individually. By clicking a story, you can expand the metrics to dig deeper into its performance per network. You can also use the metrics name to sort the stories in this table by either the top or lowest performing. Aside from your personal sharing activity, Leaderboard also gives you visibility to the top 25 employees who shared the most content in a month. You can also change the date period to the previous 2 months. You have a quick access to our resources through your profile menu. You can read self-help articles in our Help Center. Resources is where you can view the link to install Employee Advocacy's mobile app, which enables you to access and share stories on the go. Feedback and support is your way to personally reach out to our support team for any question or feedback you might have to make the tool better. I hope this video helps you to get started with your journey as an employee advocacy reader and a brand advocate.